Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU151. This is a 2004 E250 van. It's got 231,328 on the mileage. It's got the 4.6 liter engine in it. My jump box hooked up to the engine. It is not starting. It sounds like a starter relay. It's just one quick click, nothing else. So we're gonna get it in the bay. We're gonna test it out, do a compression test, make sure it hasn't lost anything in its 231 mile lifespan. And go from there. If the engine is good, we're going to inventory it, go ahead, put it up on the shelf. If it's not good, of course, we're going to go break it down for parts, find the point of failure, and not inventory that part. So this came to us with a left-hand side collision. This is going to be your left front into the door. We'll walk around the vehicle, show you the rest of it. Looks like it might have caught some down this rear side too. So in all, still a great vehicle. Honestly, it looks like this left front collision's been there for a while. They did some self-tappers to get it rolling. They probably just fixed it right on up so it passed inspection and kept on going down the road. So we'll hop on in. Like I said, I got the jump box hooked up so we can test out some components. Here goes your mileage, 231,328. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll check out the windows. This is your driver's side window down and up. Passenger side, down and coming back up. I will test out these mirrors. This is your driver's side mirror, which might have been replaced for a manual mirror because that's not moving. Our passenger side mirror is broken, so we're not going to inventory that one either. Heater AC control. Sounds kind of like your blower motor's bad. You can hear it calling for it. So it is sending the electricity out there. Blower motor's not working, so we'll do the bad blower motor on that.
Your radio business, that's the one that makes jet engines and landing gear and other commercial.
So it looks like that works just fine. So very short video here, not much to test on these type of vans. But again, this is UU151, my 2004 E250, 4.6 liter engine. It's got 231,328 miles on it. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews. We'll be happy to help. Thank you. God bless. Goodbye.